Welcome to Caracomp Insider, where high-tech facial recognition meets real-world intelligence.
Picture 600,000 people walking toward an exam hall. Their career depends on what's inside. And the thing standing between them and the door isn't a guard checking a name, it's a camera scanning their face, and that camera can say no. If you've ever had your photo taken at an airport or unlocked your phone with your face, this story is already about you. Across India, exam authorities are scanning faces to stop cheating. For one big teaching exam in Maharashtra, the Mahatet, roughly 600,000 candidates face that scan, and the same approach is scaling fast. For India's medical entrance retest, officials assigned nearly 50,000 staff just to run face verification. So what happens when the machine matching your face gets it wrong? That's the question that runs underneath all of this. Start with one honest test taker. They show up on time, they are exactly who they say they are. And the system rejects them anyway. How? It comes down to a setting most candidates never hear about: the confidence threshold. According to testing by the US government's Standards Lab, NIST, this is the trade-off nobody advertises. When a face-matching algorithm runs on real-world photos with a loose setting, it misses valid matches a small fraction of the time, fewer than 1 in 20. But tighten that setting so the system only accepts near-certain matches, the miss rate jumps to more than a third. A third of honest people locked out. That's the cruel math exam operator's face. Loosen the system, and you let imposters slip through. Tighten it, and you block real candidates. There's no free setting. For an exam center, that's a policy decision. For the person standing at the door, it's their whole career, gone on a number nobody told them about. The miss isn't spread evenly, either. According to research compiled by the Bipartisan Policy Center, these algorithms perform better on lighter skin than darker skin. They perform better on men than on women. So the people most likely to be wrongly rejected aren't random. They're sorted by skin tone and gender before anyone walks in. And the conditions at a real exam make it worse. The benchmark numbers vendors love come from clean, studio-quality photos. A crowded exam hall has bad lighting, motion blur, and masks. According to one analysis from a health research database, lab tests can overstate real-world accuracy by roughly half. So the 99% on the sales sheet? That's the lab. The door is a different world. The technology isn't the scandal. The silence is. Vendors quietly choose who gets through and who gets blocked. And almost no one tells the candidates the rules before they're scanned. So here's where we land. Exam halls are using face scanning to stop cheating. And the tech does catch real fraud. But every system has a dial. Set it tight, and honest people get locked out, set it loose, and cheaters slip in. And that dial fails more often on women and on darker skin. The fix isn't throwing out the cameras. It's forcing institutions to publish their error rates and give people a way to appeal before 600,000 faces hit the gate. Whether you're sitting an exam or just unlocking your phone, your face is now a password you can't change, and someone else sets the rules for matching it. The full breakdown's in the show notes if you want the deep dive.
Now you know something most people in this industry don't. Use it. And when you're ready to put it to work, Caracomp.com. We'll see you tomorrow.